Our topic for today is hydraulic ramp. By the way, I'm Kusangin Kasagid from SME 4B. A hydraulic ramp. A hydraulic ramp is a cyclic water pump powered by hydropower. It functions as hydraulic transformer that takes the water at one hydraulic head at flow rate and output water at a higher hydraulic head and lower flow rate at lower flow rate. Then the history of hydraulic ramp is a very old and well-proven technology in lifting water. In 1772, Englishman John Whitehorse invented a manually operated precursor of hydraulic ramp called the pulsation engine. And the first one he installed in 1775 raised water at a height of 15 feet or 4.9 meters. In 1929, the company was acquired by Green and Carter of Winchester, Hampshire, who were engaged in the manufacturing and installation of well-known Vulcan and battery rams. Then the typical components of hydraulic ram water lifting system is source, or there are different types of source like steam, spring, river, nga. Then sa gikan sa source na supply pipe, then padung sa drive tank, then gikan sa drive tank na drive pipe padung sa hydraulic ram pump, then after sa hydraulic ram pump na delivery pipe para may agian para pasaka sa tubig, then padung sa service area or storage facility. Next is the basic components of a ram pump. Number one is inlet drive pipe. Then so number 2, makita na free flow or waste valve. Then number 3 is the outlet delivery pipe. Then 4 is waste valve. Then 5 is delivery check valve. Number 6 is pressure vessel. The description of parts. A hydraulic ram has only two moving parts. A spring or weight loaded or waste valve, sometimes known as the clock valve, and the delivery check valve, making it cheap to build and easy to maintain and very reliable. In addition, there is a drive pipe supplying water from the elevated source and a delivery pipe taking a portion of water that comes through the drive pipe to an elevation higher than the source. Then sequence of operation. Initially, the waste valve is open and the delivery valve is closed. The water drive pipe starts the flow under the force of gravity and picks up speed and kinetic energy until it forces the waste valve closed. The momentum of the water flow in the supply against the now closed waste valve causes the water hammer that raises the pressure in the pump, opens the delivery valve, and force some water to flow to the delivery pipe. Applications of hydraulic ram. Use of renewable energy source, ensuring low running cost. Then next is little environment impact. Okay, makatabang man siya. Then next is low maintenance requirement. Then na po siya limitation, limited iyang in the highly areas lang siya ma-apply. Kaya kinahanglan man siya gravity nga para mag free fall ang tubig kapag flow. The next is the volumetric efficiency is very low, tungod kay daghang kayong tubig nga ma-waste sa waste valve kay manggawas. Then next is the conclusion. In the conclusion, broad prospect of utilizing the country's abundant surface of water. Siyempre magamit ito ang ma-utilize ito ang mga ginagikanan na mga source of water. Then next is the cost of civil work and pipe installation, and the initial investment could be very high. tungod bud sa kanang like remote area naman siya i-apply, din may makaingon nga ang ihang kanang installation o mga initial investment cost may musaka kay layo man syempre ang mga materials nga pag paghatod o ana. So that's it for today. Thank you.